Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious plain muffins. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. For wet ingredients, have 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter ready. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your 12-cup muffin tin. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt until they are well combined. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, gently whisk your 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Make sure everything is just combined, as overmixing can lead to tough muffins. This step ensures a smooth batter. This is a crucial step for tender muffins. Pour your wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Using a spatula, gently fold them together until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually desired for a light texture. Overmixing develops gluten, making muffins tough. Distribute the batter evenly among the 12 prepared muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full. This ensures consistent baking. Finally, it's time to bake. Place your muffin tin into the preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the muffins cool in the tin for about 5 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your perfectly baked, fluffy plain muffins.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.